We're going to have a market on the campus that people can come into and they can buy food that was just picked 30 minutes ago. The freshest, cleanest, most verdantly green food possible. We're going to have a market, kind of like a farmer's market, where we sell whatever we grow, and we'll invite other local vendors to sell what they want there as well. And we will then also sell to grocery stores and dedicated customers like companies or universities or hospitals. When you produce power by itself, clean water by itself, grow fish by itself, grow produce by itself, the cost of those goods and services are a certain X, a certain amount. When you mix them together and integrate them, the cost of goods goes down across the board for all of them because they're all customers of each other's services. Mm-hmm. So typically the water and power that we would sell into the community would be about 25% less. Okay. And our food prices would be less also because they're stabilized by the energy component. So not only do we not have we are an anti-inflationary process where the water, the power, the food will be less than it has been and will consistently be less than in perpetuity. We don't envision that we're going to replace permaculture, forests, or outdoor agriculture. What we are interested in doing is making it so that any community has the means of sustaining itself. And as you've seen, there have been some really interesting weather patterns where tornadoes will come through and wipe out a whole town of 40,000 people. There's no water, there's no power, there's no food. Well, guess what? 100 miles down the road, there's a Viridis Living System that does have the water and the power of the food. So we want to strategically locate these around North America so that people always know where they can get water, power, and food.